Hello, I'm Minesh. I'm a solutions architect at NetSol, and I've been working with Optimizely Content Cloud, formerly Episerver, for the last 15 years. Today, I want to demonstrate how simple it is to set up a sample Content Cloud website on your local machine. This can be used for demonstration or training purposes. The tutorial is not just for developers, it can be utilized by anyone who is keen to learn about Optimizely Content Cloud. So first of all, what we need to do is install .NET 6 SDK on your local machine. To do this, simply search for .NET 6 download on your favorite search engine, and the first result set will be download.NET 6. Click into the first link, and then you will see a list of SDKs that can be installed. The one you will be looking for is Windows, x64 or x86 installable file. Once the .NET 6 SDK has been installed, we move on to installing the Episerver.NET templates. Simply open Command Prompt on your machine and type in the following: .NET new install episerver.templates and hit the return key. This will start installing the Episerver templates for you to then create a sample Optimizely Content Cloud website. Now we have the foundation set up, we can start creating the sample site. So in Explorer, navigate to where you would like your sample website to be installed. So I have mine in the D directory. I have a temp folder in there and then a subfolder called Optimizely. In here, I'm going to create a new folder called Alloy Tech. We go into this directory, copy the location, and in command prompt, navigate to that location. So we're now at our final step on installing the Alloy Tech Optimizely sample website. To do this, in command prompt, type in .NET new epi-alloy-mvc and hit return. This will install the files needed to run the solution and can be seen in File Explorer. We can then run the solution, which will compile all the code and get it up and running in the web browser. To do that, type .NET run. .NET run compiles all the code that's been installed in that directory, getting it ready to run in a web browser. So once it's done compiling all its code, towards the bottom, you will see a URL like this: https://localhost:5000. So let's just grab that and put it into the web browser. The first screen that gets presented to you is the account creation page. Here you can put in a username, email, and password for an admin account. So I'll keep it simple, use admin, use my email address, and a simple password. Once done, and click create, it will redirect me back to the home page where I can start going into Optimizely Content Cloud. I can see the on-page editing functionality. I can see the all properties view, and I can navigate around the page tree as well as the asset library. From here, I can use it for demonstration purposes with clients, or I can start building my own Optimizely website using templates based off what was developed on top of Alloy Tech. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the introduction of creating a sample website in Optimizely Content Cloud. Any questions, do not hesitate to ask.